Allow me to introduce J-411 first. With more than 30 years of experience, J-411 is an expert in electronic sensing bathroom products, accounting for over 70% of Taiwanese market share in this field. Now, Ms. Jane Xie, Business Manager of J-411, is going to tell us more about how to upgrade a bathroom to a more automatic and comfortable environment by applying a simple device.
Hi, I'm Jane. So honored to have this opportunity to participate in this event. Genius logo combines three elements: air, water, electricity. The purpose of enterprise to specialize in automatic products and development innovation solutions to make life more convenient and save energy. Next, I will introduce the 21 type bathroom cooling and heating fan. This machine won the 2021 Taiwan Excellent Award. The design concept of our cooling and heating fan was developed in response to the need those rerouting our housing. The bathroom design of our housing often leads to the poor ventilation and dampness. Therefore, is the strong demand for ventilation and drying. Some bathrooms will be particularly cool in winter, and if their heating function in your bathroom, you can use the warm and comfortable bathroom year-round. At the same time, this is also suitable for a small bathroom. Our specific research showed that 21 by 21 centimeter ventilation fan had about 70% market share. So we designed our heating and cooling fan can be compatible with the size, so bathroom ventilation can directly upgrade almost any bathroom. Our products including with the 4-in-1 function: ventilation, heat, a fan, and drying. Our cooling and heating fan have a personal function which can deodorize and purify the air. In addition, a wire or wireless controller can be selected according to the customer requirements. The panel will display the temperature, humidity, and state of each function. A PTC, positive temperature coefficient, ceramic heating plate, has a built-on the temperature detection rod, a 7-layer safety overheat protection device, and independent emergency switch to ensure that you can use it safely. The fan has a sway function, which can increase the circulation of bathroom air. The filter organizes a squeezing spring design, which can be easily removed for cleaning. The operation of a non-turn wire ducting type connector is shown in the figure, which can effectively prevent noise caused by outdoor wind. At the same time, it can prevent entry of outdoor and mosquito and keep the air fresh. We have designed 3 intonation methods. First, ceiling installation can be used to directly replace the original ventilation fan. The second, window type installation can be used to install in this fan on the exterior window of the bathroom with the iron shear. Third, wall hanging installation has the products directly faced on the wall of the bathroom with iron shear without additional ceiling work. We are pursuing green energy and smarter lifestyle and working toward more mobile apps links so that we can control the operation of a controller equipment outside at home and make our life more convenient. Also, we hope we have more opportunity to cooperate with the company in the future. Thank you for your listening.
Thank you very much, Ms. Jane Xie, for your presentation.